word Detroit, mi.gov.
Detroit. MI. Dot OG.
Gov for government.
GOV. So I got, wait a minute, get this out the way. So I got Horn, HORNETOM at DetroitMichigan.gov.
Detroit MI, right?
Yeah, I'm sorry, DetroitMI.gov.
Correct.
And the number is 313
Okay,
628
628.
4239, and that's to our office.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you.
All
Thank
right, then we'll call it. This.
And the 36th District Court is back in session with Honorable Reagan Evans presiding, office in session. No reading, talking, walking, sleeping, eating, driving, and smoking. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Ms. Kelly. This is People versus Patrick Davis, ticket number SP 1404220, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Patrick Davis. I'm going to indicate the officer was here at his trial date. At this time, the people have agreed to allow my client to obtain a driver improvement class certificate, so we're asking for an adjourned date.
Say your name for the record, Mr. Davis.
Patrick E. Davis.
Okay, so we'll come back on June 27th at 8:35.
You hear that, sir? June 27th at 8:30.
Same proceeding, same.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So I call this number, the 628 number, to set up everything and whatnot.
No, you go online and you Google Michigan driver improvement class. And there's tons of certified classes that are going to pop up. Once you get your certificate, you're going to email it to that address the city attorney gave you.
Okay,
In the meantime, you're going to return to this courtroom on the date the judge just gave you.
all right, and you said it's Michigan driver class is what I'm gonna
Michigan
do.
driver improvement class. There's tons of them. Yeah,
Okay.
there's tons of them. So,
Improvement class, okay.
okay, and you have that certificate with you on your next court date too.
Have to have the certificate on the next court date. Okay,
Also, okay, thank you, sir. You're all set.
all right, thank you.
I think we're just, what are we doing with Janelle Robinson? I mean,
She just wants to know what her bond is that she needs to post, Your Honor. But I don't know what it is. I wasn't.
I don't know what it would be.
Was it $100? I don't know if the court does $100 per ticket or you just did a flat $100 or I don't know what it was. She has 2 tickets.
I'm curious, they don't ever ask me the bond, so I don't know if that's something that they deal with.
So if there's no bond, she just needs to walk into the court to set the court date. I just want to,
She would just need to come down to the courthouse. I mean, go to the first floor.
but if she needs to bring
Right,
money, I just wanted to know.
Write down this number and tell her, call this number, and they can tell her ahead of time. 313-965-5590 or 313-965-6648.
What was the first one? 965
5590,
or 6648?
correct.
Okay.
Ms. Horn, any
Yes.
movement on that offer, please?
Yeah, I'm working. So far expired plate civil infraction.
Thank you.
Let me see, let me make sure, let me pull that out because she's got a couple that she closed out, so I want to take that in consideration.
And don't forget the officer was here.
Officer Nelson, yes.
Okay, so just so you know.
He's cool, he'd be all right.
And so some are closed. I put those together, Judge. And then a failure to display.
Okay, thank you. So,
You're welcome.
Mr. Redding? Elante Redding?
Unless he wants improper plates.
Oh, I'm sorry, I was on mute. How you doing? I'm back.
Good. So they're willing to let you plead guilty to one misdemeanor and one civil infraction and dismiss the rest of your tickets. So if you want to admit an improper plate and an expired plates, all your other counts will be dismissed.
Okay, well,
I think you need to say yes, sir.
oh,
The officer was here on your tickets, you know, so it's a pretty good deal. It's for all your tickets.
right. I just wanted to be able to take care of all my tickets at once, so if that's the
So
deal for those.
you want to go ahead and accept that, sir?
Yeah. Do you know how much they are per ticket? Or-
You'll find out when the judge lets you know. We're ready, Your Honor. The court's like waited a long time to help you out with this, so we got to move forward.
I appreciate it. I've been waiting myself.
Yeah, I'll give you the $5. Okay.
This is the people versus Alante Redding, ticket number SP 145-38131, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, expired plates, ticket number SP 1407094, count 1, driver license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number count 2 rather is no insurance misdemeanor. And then ticket number SP 1434086, count 1, driving register or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, drove while license not valid or proper license. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Redding. Mr. Redding, say your name.
My name is Elante Redding.
Your Honor, some of these matters were set for trial today and the officer did appear. The people have made a recommendation. My client would plead to an amended count of improper plate and also one civil infraction for expired plates. All other counts would be dismissed.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Redding. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Have you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of February 15, 2023 at 3:50 PM. On that date and time, were you at or near Jeffries and the Jeffries Service Drive in Livernois in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2007 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And was that vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Yes.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket for ticket number ending in 131, count 3, and then do you stipulate to probable cause?
Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, so court will amend the count that he made admissions on to improper plates. Will accept the responsible plea to the expired plates and will dismiss the remaining tickets without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. So the improper plates, there's a $200 fine usually, and then for the expired plates, there's a $145 fine. Usually with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay that fine, but because you have a misdemeanor attached, I will give you till June 27th to pay the total balance, which is $345.
Okay. Okay.
Did you have any questions, sir?
Okay. So do that, and no, that don't include the fine for my warrants that was just previously Now
Yeah,
this
you
just for
probably-
these tickets.
Yeah, you probably still, for the tickets that were in warrant status, you probably have some reinstatement fees that you have to pay.
Okay. Okay. So other than that, I am clear through 36 districts after I pay these fines.
It looks like you don't have any other pending tickets.
You may have civil infractions you have to pay, so you have to check with the counter.
Okay. Okay.
And do you
Well,
remember
that's all.
you had to pay it?
Hear me?
Do you remember what day you had to pay it?
By June 9th. No, the
June
June 27th. 27th. Okay, I'm writing that down right now. You said $340 by June 7th.
345. 345.
Okay, 45 by June 27th.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just there, check up on the civil infractions that I might have on my record, and then. Okay, I could do that. I appreciate all the help.
Drop that, sir. Good luck.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome. Courtney McCree is here, but I don't know what happened to Michelle Roberts.
She fell off, Your Honor. I don't know if she's one of these phone numbers sitting here.
Let me see.
Don't open it up.
Well, the phone number is the warrant, is the warrant. So let me just see who he is or she. Or you can probably talk to them.
It's just a phone, right?
Well, phone caller, what is your name? Phone caller. Phone caller, what is your name?
Hi, yes, this is Michelle Robertson. I was having problems with Zoom, so I had to call on the phone.
Okay, that's Michelle Robinson.
Yeah, to you.
Your Honor. Your Honor, I did have an offer for Miss Robinson. So if I could just pop in a breakout room with her really quickly.
Yeah, that's fine. She also has a U ticket. I don't know if you want to deal with that today. It's the remain in park after closed.
Is Miss Horn still there?
Yes, I am.
So right now I have her for pleading to open alcohol as a passenger as the offer. And the other 3 she has are dismissed per what we talked about earlier.
No, her tickets are only drive and register or entitled vehicle, drive while unlicensed, improper plates, and no proof of insurance.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was looking at the name above hers. I apologize. Miss Horn, do we have an offer for her matter,
I'm looking now. Hold on, let me take a look.
including the extra one that the judge just told us about?
Yeah, because I don't have a mark next to her, so, may I approach her? Thank you. So, yeah, okay, so no open alcohol, correct?
No, I'm sorry. That was the name above hers.
Okay.
So we're still on YouTube?